The standard horn fitted on an awful lot of the bikes nowadays tends to be a pretty weak affair. Yeah, right. So this is where it is fitted, and it's held by that nut on the left, which looks like about 8 mil. It's got a couple of electrical tongue contacts, and I reckon I can undo the nut, undo the contacts, use the existing bracket to mount a replacement. So let's have a go. Okay, well, the original horn is on the left, and the one on the right isn't much bigger. It's a Fiam Mini Blaster. Costs £15, which means if KTM had actually supplied that as standard, it probably would have cost them about £6 and saved me a lot of trouble. It's not going to be a massive improvement, but it's going to be a deeper tone and sound much less like a moped. So let's have a go at fitting it. The terminals are the same, so all I'm going to do is to take the bracket off the original, put it onto the new horn and refit. It's actually easier to access from the left hand side of the bike. You've got a clearer view into there. That's a T30 Torx or an 8 mil screw spanner, but the Torx is easier. I positioned the horn with the trumpet pointing slightly down so it doesn't get filled with water. And now for the acid test. I'll turn it on first. That's a bit better, isn't it?